Welcome to IFCout Cloud tutorial video. IFCout Cloud is a plugin for AutoCAD Plant 3D that allows you to export to IFC format files in bulk. You can export plant components, structural members, and optionally AutoCAD native entities such as lines, circles, and arcs. You can export one or more drawings on your local machine or on the cloud to IFC files on your local machine or on the cloud as well. For the cloud, you need to map Autodesk Drive and/or Autodesk Docs. You also need to be signed into your Autodesk accounts. The exported IFC files will automatically be placed on your Autodesk Drive and/or Autodesk Docs if you selected this option. With IFCout Cloud, you can also set up Task Scheduler to run export batches automatically and repeatedly. The following is a step-by-step instructions on how to run IFCout Cloud. The first step is to specify the location of the working folder. The working folder holds all your saved configuration files. The second step is to specify which AutoCAD Core Engine version is available as well as which IFCout Cloud version corresponding to it. Both version numbers must match. The third step is to specify the units multiplier. It is a multiplier to convert the units of the plant drawings to metric millimeter. For example, if the drawings units is in inches, then the multiplier is 25.4. The next step is to check if you want to 1. Export the actual entity colors in the drawings to the IFC file. 2. Include AutoCAD primitive entities such as lines, circles, and arcs. 3. Use solid meshing for all 3D plant components. Next, you need to specify plant components properties to export. By defaults, the most common properties are displayed where you can check the ones that you want. Also, you can add additional properties. You must click the Save button at the end. To export drawings from your local machine, click the Local Machine button. By default, all local drives and folders are listed where you can navigate to where the desired drawings to be exported are located. When you click on the folder that has drawing files, all drawing files that exist in it are displayed in the existing drawings list. If you check Export All Drawings in Folder option, then all existing now and in the future drawings will be exported. If you check Place IFC Files in the same folders option, all output IFC files will be placed at the same folders of the drawings to be exported. The Configurations drop-down allows you to either create a new configuration or modify existing configurations, as we will see shortly. For now, we are creating a new configuration. The IFC output folder allows you to specify the location of the exported IFC files. This location can be on your local machine or on Autodesk Drive and/or Autodesk Docs. The log files path allows you to specify where all the log files for the export process will be placed. Now it is time to specify which drawings to be exported to IFC files as one batch. You can add one or more drawings from the existing drawing list or simply click Add All. You can also remove drawings from the list. Up until now, you have specified the required information to create a configuration file. Create New Configuration allows you to save all these parameters in a new configuration file. Type in the name of the configuration file and click Create. Congratulations, you have just created your first configuration file that you run. Go back to the Home window and click Run Selected Configuration. Now let us take a look at the generated IFC files and open one of them in Navisworks. Now let us see how you can modify an existing configuration. Select a saved configuration and make the necessary changes, then click Modify. These changes can be any parameter you used to create the configuration initially. Exporting from and to Autodesk Drive and/or Autodesk Docs. Click on Autodesk Drive and/or Autodesk Docs, then browse to either Autodesk Drive or Autodesk Document. The mapped folders will be displayed where you can select the drawings from. The same steps you applied for your local machine can also be applied for Autodesk Drive and/or Autodesk Docs. So far you have been able to define a configuration file and run it manually. You can also set up a task scheduler on your machine to run these saved configuration files automatically and routinely. Click the Schedule button. Available Schedules is a drop-down contains all previously saved task schedules. New Schedule Job allows you to type in the new task schedule name. Scheduled job description is optional. It allows you to assign a description to this particular job. Use Configuration drop-down contains all available saved configurations currently present in the specified working folder. Select one saved configuration to run by this task schedule. Repeat every drop-down allows you to specify how many hours, days, or weeks between each automatic run by this particular task schedule. Start time allows you to specify when to start the task schedule. The default is the current day, then you can specify what time at either AM or PM. Register scheduled job allows you to register this new scheduled job with Windows Task Scheduler. Remove scheduled job allows you to unregister or remove the selected scheduled job from Windows Task Scheduler. You can view this new scheduled job in the Windows Task Scheduler. The log window allows you to view all existing log files saved from all previously run exports, including the scheduled jobs. Please note that you must be already signed into your Autodesk 360 account for AutoCAD even if the export runs without running AutoCAD itself. If you have any questions, please email us, info@micsoftasa.com. Thank you for watching.